Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm in a car, so this is a different setting, but I'm gonna get my hair done. This video is sponsored by CurlsQueen, and this is the hair that they sent me. They sent me these this kinky textured clip-ins, and I'm excited to wear it. So I'm gonna go to the Dominicans and get my hair straightened, get like a wash and blow dry, and get them to add that in. And then I might go get my nails done. I did my lashes yesterday. I didn't record, but this is just for the hair video. So we're gonna go. Okay, so I'm at the hair salon, and you guys, I forgot how therapeutic it is to get your hair done. I'm so used to doing everything by myself, so having my hair washed by someone else felt amazing. Like, I am enjoying every moment. Like, I'm very like, this is so therapeutic. But yeah, so this is her washing my hair. So after the wash, I'm going to get my hair blow dried. I use the Color Wow Heat Protectant. This is a new add-on for me. I got this from Kim Kardashian, but I bought this from Sephora. Her hairstylist uses it, and it's been great. My curls is as healthier as it can get. So this is the hair. This is the hair in its natural state. Now the stylist is going to get each track. So we're going to go track by track, and she's going to flat iron the hair so it can be flat. I think this is a better way to do it instead of like adding the tracks to your hair first, because it can give you like the nice seamless look, and the hair can be somewhat bone straight. You won't really get the hair to be super bone straight because of the kinky texture, which is great because it gives you like this natural feel to it. So I think this is like the perfect way to do it. So I definitely recommend you do this first. As you guys can see, I'm getting my hair blow dried at the same time. So yeah, and you can see like the process of the hair. This is the final look of the hair. It's super bouncy, super nice. I love it. I love how thick it is, because y'all can see like how thin my hair is. So this is my hair. My hair is super thin, guys. Like, look at it. Like, it needs the clip-ins. Like, it needs the clip-ins, and I don't want to keep wearing wigs. I want to let my hair breathe. So this is the whole purpose of me doing this. So yeah. So this part is going to be very short, but I'm going to go into more details towards the end of the video. But it's kind of given like she didn't really want me to record for some reason, so I couldn't get all the content. But this technique she used where she gets the spray bottle and sprays it, and then she braids the top of the hair a little bit, like just at the start, so she can add the clip-ins. So I'm going to show you guys how you do that towards the end of the video, but this is the finished look. It looks so bomb, so flat. This is why it's important to flat iron the hair first. So yeah, it looks really good. Oh my god. Okay, y'all, I just got my hair done. It looks so nice, period. So she did a technique. I don't know if y'all saw it in a video, but like, I'm gonna make sure like I do a voiceover in that part. But she basically like was spraying it with the spray, and then she braided it, and then she attached the clip-ins into it. So I feel like I usually just put the clip-ins in, but that was like a new trick that I learned, which is why like I like going to like getting my hair done, because like I can learn new things or whatnot. But this is so cute. It's tea. I didn't get layers cut or nothing because I don't want to mess up the hair. But yeah, it's so cute, and my hair kind of look like layers. But yeah, it looks so nice. I didn't do it enough. Like, I left some hair out in the front because in case I want to, like, you know. Yeah, but anyways, I like it, y'all. Like, this hair, you guys, from Curl Queens is tea. Like, the fact that this blends in so well with my hair, and it's giving natural. Like, you can't tell me this is not my hair. Like, this is giving natural. So 10 out of 10. I'm about to go home and get my nails done and stuff. This is the hair up close, y'all. Like, look how shiny, and look how well it goes with my real hair. Like, it's so flat. I love it. I love it so much. All right, so yeah. yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna add some baby hairs because I don't have any baby hairs out right now. Oh, she kind of like braided up my edges a little bit. So I'm gonna just take that out, and maybe I can show you guys the technique while I take it out. So I'm gonna take it out and take the clipping out, and you guys can already see like the technique that she did. But so I'm gonna take my spritz and I'm just gonna spritz it. I already pulled my edges out that I wanted to be out, and I'm just gonna do that braid over, just like how she had it before. The only difference is like, the edges is out. But then I'm going to take my clip-ins and I'm going to add it on top. Decided to move one of the tracks up closer because I wanted it to be a little bit higher. I wanted less leave out. I mean, the whole thing is leave out, but like I wanted less leave out at the top. So I kind of moved the track over, did the same technique. What I found out with this technique is that it makes the clip-in more sturdy. So you can literally tug and pull, it literally won't come off. I mean, if you pull it hard enough, of course, but it's just stronger, and it will last longer. So this, I'm going to take my black spray and I'm just going to spray because I want my part to be like super snatched. I kind of wanted to give like a frontal illusion. So that's what I was doing. I'm going to flat iron the hair. You guys can see my edges is very thin. I mean, my whole hair is thin, so it's just genetics. So yeah, I'm doing my edges. I use Got to Be Glue, the black one, because it gives me like the stronger hold and it doesn't curl my hair up. And then I'm going to take the color edge, the black one, just so it can like make it like fuller, kind of like when guys use the black spray around like their haircuts and stuff, kind of the same idea. But this is the finishing look. I love this hair so much. I'm going to leave a discount code down below so you guys can purchase it and get some money off. And don't forget to use it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much. Mwah.